SoundHound AI is one partnership away from exploding, and I've got a theory on a few candidates for who that partner will be. The AI voice generators market is projected to compound at over 30% for the next decade. Here is one scenario. Apple finally releases its long-rumored Apple Car, and suddenly the voice assistant sounds oddly familiar. That's because it's powered by SoundHound. Why hasn't that partnership happened yet? Stick with me, because I'll show you who's quietly loading up on SoundHound, why it's already embedded in Tier 1 devices across the world, and how this sleeper stock could 10x before the next earnings call. Here's what most investors don't get. SoundHound isn't some fly-by-night AI gimmick. It's already integrated in Hyundai, Mercedes, Kia, Honda, real products, real dashboards, real voice. But if it's so legit, why hasn't it exploded yet? Because it's missing one thing: mass consumer exposure. And here's the thing. The moment a company like Apple, Amazon, or Google plugs SoundHound into a mainstream product, everything changes. Voice tech isn't optional anymore. It's the next gold rush. And while everyone's chasing ChatGPT and large language models, SoundHound is quietly cornering the last untouched frontier: your voice. The real AI revolution won't be typed. It'll be spoken. Imagine a smart assistant that actually understands context, that doesn't need the cloud, that works offline. That's SoundHound, and it's been doing this since before ChatGPT was even a paper. Let me ask you something uncomfortable. What if this thing 10x's before the next earnings call? Would you be okay watching it from the sidelines? Again? Would you really let a $10 stock be your next "I should have bought" story? Here's what keeps me up at night, and might start keeping you up too. BlackRock is building a huge position. Insiders are accumulating. Retail still thinks it's a toy. It's like watching the fireworks while holding an unlit match. While there is few core questions that needs answering before this thing gets bigger, which partnership could catapult SoundHound AI into the mainstream? And what are the red flags? They're watching SoundHound, maybe even negotiating. But once it hits, retail will be too late. Why is SoundHound already embedded in Tier 1 devices, yet still flying under the radar? Because it powers the back end. No flashy branding, just deep integrations in cars, restaurants, and IoT devices. The iceberg is massive, but we're only seeing the tip. While everyone chases ChatGPT, are investors missing the real voice tech goldmine? Yes, ChatGPT is impressive, but it's not designed for embedded, real-time voice tech. SoundHound is already there, quietly printing partnerships while others play catch-up. Could you stomach missing the next NVIDIA level rise? Again? You probably already missed NVIDIA and Palantir. SoundHound is a clean slate. Low cap, first mover, you still have time. Barely. If you knew Tesla at $20 had a deal with Apple, would you have waited? SoundHound's deal might be next quarter. Maybe next month, maybe tomorrow. Hedge funds, insiders, BlackRock are buying SoundHound stock before it explodes. And why aren't you? It seems most retail traders haven't even heard of it. But the big money knows. And now, you do too. So here's your moment. You can wait for headlines when it's already up 500%. Or you can look at the clues, connect the dots, and get in before the rest of the world wakes up. Because once that one partnership goes public, this stock's anonymity is gone. Its price? Gone. Its under the radar advantage? Gone. Subscribe for the next AI sleeper pick before it's trending.